Hi friends, in previous video we set up the Maven project in your local, right? So in this section what we'll do, we'll create one Git repository in the GitHub, then we'll commit this whole code inside your repository, then we'll create the Jenkins job. Okay, let me quickly open my Ubuntu machine. Okay, so in the previous video I explained about how to build, how to package, how to test, right? If you are not watched, just please go ahead and watch my previous video. You will get clear idea what you need to do. Okay, now clearing my command, so you know how to install the git version. Now what I want to do, uh, first we'll go for Chrome. Okay, your browser, open your GitHub account. If you don't have GitHub account, just it is like a open source, that means like you can sign up, it's like a free of cost, you no need to pay even 1 rupee also. If you want to maintain your code base, you can use your GitHub repository. It's like a distributed management system. Okay, so I have a sign up details, I already sign up. So what I will do, go for in the profile section, there is a your repositories. Okay, here there is a new option will be there, click on new. Here you can give your repository name. What I will do, I will give as a Jenkins hyphen Maven project. I'm giving, this is my repository name. Okay, if you want to give description, okay, this is for test project. Okay, this is for test project, just description. If you have a private details, means private repository, means no one can see except you. If it is a public, means if you are creating, anyone can watch, anyone can see my source code inside your GitHub, that's why it's a public. You can make it initialize this repository as a readme, you can skip, you are importing an existing repository. Okay, whatever you want, that's fine. Let me I'm click here, then create repository. Okay, now your repository is creating. Now once your repository is created, what are the steps you need to take care, I will explain. Okay, now you created your repository. If you click here readme, this is your just a simple test message, it will be displayed. This is for existing repository already you have, then you need to create in this way. Okay, now I will show one more way also. Now go for your repositories, click on your repositories, create new, and what I will go, Jenkins hyphen Maven I'm giving. Okay, this time I'm not initializing this one, create repository. If you see here, if you didn't given your readme file, that means you are creating repository from your command line, or you can push existing repository from the command line. Two options. If you see here, this is the GitHub URL for your Git for your project. Okay, now create a new repository on the command line, you need to follow these all commands. Okay, next, push an existing repository from the command line, will follow these steps as of now. Okay, now readme file for you optional, if you want you can copy. What I will do, go here, just before what I will do, I will, sorry, okay, it will create one readme.md file. If you see the ls command, you can see one file readme.md file. Okay, next you need to initialize your repository, this is called git init, that means your repository is initialized. If you make it, suppose git status, see all files are uncommitted, untracked files. Each and every file you can track in your git, whatever commit you done today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, previous, all things you can see. This is called git status command. Okay, once you are good that part, then git add, this file also you need to add your commit. Okay, now if you want to add your files in your git repository, okay, if you see the difference, git status, see one file I committed my local repository. If you see ls-a, there is one folder .git. whatever you done, everything will be there inside .git folder. Okay, if you want to store all the files, if you want to save all the files, means you need to do git add dot, means it will store all the files. This is source folder, this is target folder, this is pom.xml. Okay, now if you make it git status, if you see here, see these many number of files are stored in your local repository. Okay, I hope you guys are clear till now. Next, now you need to commit, git commit -m. Okay, you need to commit your local repository. Okay, git commit, this is my first commit. If you see here, this is in staged area, we can call. Okay, I will say git status. Okay, there is no files to commit, already all files are you committed. If you see here git log, you can see this Java Express, this is my first commit. You can see your loggers also. Now you need to push these files to your git repository. In order to push, which user is pushing, you need to configure your user details in your git repository. Okay, how to make it that part, just okay, we'll add those things, then it will get. Now I will add git remote, this is my repository. Okay, go here, just paste it. Okay, your repository is as it. Now you need to push, when you are pushing, it will throw, you need to configure your username and password. To configure, what you need to do, git config -- global user dot name, you can say as Java Express I'm giving. Okay, and one more, you need to configure your email also, user dot email, you can say Java Express channel @gmail.com. Okay, now you push it. Error key does not contain section user.email. Sorry, I given as a comma, I'm using dot. Okay, now if you want to see the list, git config -- list, see all your details will be, so it is not at store. Okay, no issues. Now what I will do, I will git push, you can use this command -u origin master, -u origin master. It will ask your username and password. Okay, I will give as Java Express channel @gmail.com. Okay, you can provide your password. Okay, now your all files is pushed into your git repository. Okay, I will give all the git commands in the video section, you no need to worry about those things, just you pushed. If you go here, if you refresh here, all files will be shown here. You see all the first commit 3 minutes ago I pushed my command, all files you can see it here only. Okay, up to now you guys are clear, right? How to create Maven project, how to push to your public repository, everything. Okay, in the next section I will explain what we done, the manual steps, cleaning, testing, package we done, right? If you do some commit, we can do how to do automate in the Jenkins job. We'll see in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.